Hi everybody, this is Tim. I'm just going to try to show you my setup that I did with the Arlo Pro. I bought a 2-camera system for $400 and it's working out great. That was about 2 months ago. I just hooked up the hub, the Arlo Pro hub, to my old MacBook, and I keep it connected with an Ethernet cord. And I can just, close this and it stays online. I'll show you the cameras outside that are connected to the hub. It's pretty simple. And how you connect the cameras is you just push this button down on top, and there's a button on top of each of the cameras as well, as long as they're like within a foot or 3 feet, I think it is. They connect through the Z-Wave or whatever the technology is, and they work great. They're out back. I'll show you what they're doing out back. So one of the cameras I have set up over there on the post. Let me try to zoom in there. It's very simple. And then I have one behind me on the steps. And here's the other one on the steps. I'll try to upload the video from the Arlo Pro camera and show you. I'm recording at the same time as it's recording me, and you can hear me talking on both. And again, basically the one camera is there, and then the other one is over there. And you can see it just connects with a little magnetized post that goes in with one screw. It's really simple, and you can adjust your angle as you wish. So that's about it. The Arlo Pro system is really very simple to install, and if you need some help, I'll definitely be able to help you with that.